What is the procedure for applying Novelio glass fiber wall coverings? What tools do you need? A leveling tool, a pair of scissors, a brush, a taping knife, measuring tape, a cutter knife, a plastic spatula, a pencil, a roller, adhesive tape, and a sponge. What products do you need? Novelio Glass Fiber wall covering, special glue, washable acrylic paint. Always read and follow product instructions. 5 steps for application. Wall preparation, measurement and cutting, application of glue to the wall, application of wall covering, and painting. If necessary, wash the wall first, then sand, dust, and apply an undercoat to obtain a clean, dry, and smooth surface. Use a leveling tool to make 90 cm vertical lines from the edge to ensure that placement of the first panel will be perfectly level. Cut the glass fiber wall covering to match the height of the wall, adding an extra 10 cm to the length. We recommend to apply a primer on the wall. Use diluted glue or another suitable primer. Apply the glue directly on the wall. Approximately 200 grams per square meter is required. Use a brush to apply the glue to areas where the roller is not able to reach. Apply the glass fiber wall covering in accordance with the lines on the wall, overlapping the top and bottom lines by 5 centimeters. Then smooth down with a spatula. Use a plastic spatula, as a metal one might damage the wall covering. Continue applying edge to edge. Pay extra attention to the joints and make sure to immediately wipe off any glue that may get on the front of the wall covering. Trim excess material using a sharp knife or razor blade. For inside corners, apply the panel edge to edge and push down firmly across the entire surface. For outside corners, gradually fold the panel over the corner from top to bottom. Protect floors and ceilings with masking tape. Apply a washable acrylic paint when the glass fiber wall covering is dry. For darker colors, a second coat of paint is recommended. It should be applied about 1 day after the first coat.